What's up, everyone? When it comes to fixing hidden pipe problems, the best sewer pipe inspection camera can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Today on Best Product, we're checking out the Vevor Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera, a powerful tool built to see what your eyes can't. Let's get started. The Vevor Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera is made for anyone who needs a clear view inside pipes, drains, or tight spaces. Whether you are a plumber, a contractor, or even a homeowner dealing with stubborn blockages, this device helps you find the problem without digging or guessing. It takes the mystery out of underground or hidden systems and gives you a real look at what is going on. One of the first things you will notice is the bright 4.3-inch color screen. It gives you a clear and detailed view so you can easily spot cracks, clogs, or damage. The image quality feels sharp and smooth, which makes inspections much less frustrating. On top of that, the built-in recording feature lets you capture videos and save them to the included memory card. This is perfect if you want to review the footage later or show it to clients. As you move deeper into pipes, the slim waterproof camera head really shows its value. It is small enough to fit into narrow spaces, yet strong enough to handle tough conditions. The flexible spring design helps it glide through bends and corners without getting stuck. This means you can explore areas that are normally very difficult to reach with traditional tools. Lighting is another area where this camera performs well. With built-in LED lights, you get a clear view even in dark or dirty environments. You do not have to worry about poor visibility slowing you down. Everything stays bright and easy to see, which helps you work faster and with more confidence. The long and durable cable makes a huge difference during real jobs. With nearly 100 feet of reach, you can inspect deep pipelines without constantly repositioning your setup. The included cable reel keeps everything neat and easy to manage, so you're not dealing with tangled wires while working. Battery life is also very reliable here. The strong battery can last for hours, which is perfect for longer inspection tasks. You can keep working without worrying about sudden shutdowns, and the battery indicator helps you stay aware of how much power you have left. Overall, the Vevor Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera brings together convenience, durability, and smart design in one package. It makes pipe inspection easier, faster, and far more accurate, whether you are working professionally or handling repairs at home. Take control of hidden problems before they get worse. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful tools like this.